What's up, guys? It's Titus. I'm back with another video, and today I'll be talking about what is a Roth Ira and how does it work. Okay, first, before we get started, if you know how a traditional IRA works or a 401k works, you put in money, not taxed, you take it out later and it's taxed. With the Roth IRA, you put it in taxed, and when you take it out, it's not taxed. So that's very simple. So I'll put it very simple. You put tax money in, you take no tax money out for a Roth IRA, not a traditional IRA, not a 401k, for a Roth IRA. And your maximum contributions are $6,000 a year. That's the most you can put into it. Okay, let me do the math for you right quick. So, if the maximum is $6,000 in a Roth IRA, in a year, so that's the max you can do. For example, I'm 17. So if you start doing this at the age of 17, and you put, let's say, $3,000, and you want to retire at age 65. Let's do the math. So you put $3,000 in every year until you turn 65 to take it out. So with the growth rate about, I think it's 7 or 6%. So the growth rate of this money, every time you put money in, is 7 or 6%. So 6%, say 7%. So that would be about $1.13 million. So you'd be a millionaire if you do this exactly. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. So if you do this, open up the Roth IRA at 17, put in $3,000 every year minimum, you will come out at the age of 65 with $1.13 million. No tax on it. That's what's amazing about it. That's why they don't allow you to put more than $6,000, because they know how good of a deal it is. So this is the basics of Roth IRA. It's very simple. It's just an easy way to get free money, tax free. If you guys, and for the next video, I'm gonna compare like all the IRAs, the different ones, compare them to like side by side, the difference between the Roth IRA, traditional one, 401k, and things of that sort. So remember, at the age of 65, that's what, how many years is that? That's 40, 45, 49 years. I don't know, but that's not that long. Just to wait for $1 million, that's a free $1 million. And the total contributions will be like, let me put a calculator. Total contribution is $3,000. So that would be $144,000 that you put in. $144,000 that you put in, and it goes to 1.3 million. That's almost 10x. 10x. That is crazy to me. I don't know if you guys, like, bro, it's 10x. 144,000 to 1.13 million. tax free. You don't have to worry, no taxes. And almost any broker can do this for you. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's for educational purposes only. For our next video, we're gonna compare the different types of IRAs, 401ks, and discover the best one. But for my personal opinion, I believe the best one is a Roth IRA. So if you want to start with something, that's the best thing to start with. And if you're under the age, check out my last video. I'll tell you exactly how you can get signed up with this early. Okay, peace out.